Hello third graders, this is Mrs. Copeland and I'm a math teacher in Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools. I'm going to be helping you with third grade memory joggers. Let's take a look at week 8, day 2, problem D. Calvin had 36 cubes. He used the cubes to build 4 towers. If each of the towers was the same height, how many cubes tall was each tower? We have a few things to remember. Multiplication is adding or combining equal or same size groups. Division is sharing equally or subtracting equal or same size groups. When we divide, we begin with the total number and subtract equal groups or share the total equally between groups. So that is the total divided by the number of groups equals the group size, that's when you share equally, or the total divided by the group size gives you the number of groups, and that's subtracting equal groups. Multiplication and division are related. So what we know is that Calvin had 36 cubes. That is the total. I'm going to begin here by recording the total as 36 cubes. He used the cubes to build 4 towers. So we know the number of groups because we know the number of towers. There are 4 groups. If each tower was the same height, that's group size, how many cubes were in each tower? So what we know is that 4 times something is going to equal 36. We can also think of this as a division problem, where we're starting with the total and we know the number of groups. And we're trying to figure out the group size. So we could solve this one of 2 ways. We could start with 4 groups to represent each tower. That's the first tower, second tower, third tower, fourth tower. And there's a total of 36 blocks. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But by the time I got up to 36, I might lose track. So the wise thing to do is start with a larger group. Anytime you can start with 10, you should. But if I were to put 10 in each one, that would already be 40 cubes, and that would be too many. So instead, I'm going to start with 5, which is also an easy number to begin with. So 4 groups of 5 would be 20. 4 times 5 equals 20. But I need to put 36 cubes. So how many cubes do I have left that I need to put in? I still have 16 cubes left to put in. I'm going to put 4 more cubes in each tower. Since we know that 4 times 4 is 16, now I've used all 36 cubes. So that lets me know that 4 times 9, 4 towers with 9 cubes would be 36, or 36 cubes divided into 4 towers is 9. So how many cubes in each tower? 9. Thank you, and if you have additional questions about this problem, please ask your classroom teacher.